How to make a Betterment checking account in 2025. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of making a Betterment checking account in 2025. Betterment has made it easier than ever to manage your money with a combination of checking, savings, and investment features all in one place. Let's get started. Stash Step 1. Download the Betterment app. Begin by downloading the Betterment app from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can also visit the Betterment website if you prefer managing your account from a desktop. Step 2. Create a Betterment account. Open the app and select Sign Up to create a new account if you don't already have one. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email, and a secure password. You'll also need to complete some identification steps for security purposes. Step 3. Select Betterment Checking. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Checking Account section in the app. Choose the Betterment Checking Account option to get started. Step 4. Link your funding source. To fund your checking account, link your external bank account or deposit funds from an existing Betterment account. You'll need to provide your routing number and account number from your external bank to complete the transfer. Step 5. Set up direct deposit. You can set up direct deposit for your paycheck or other recurring payments into your Betterment checking account. Simply follow the prompts in the app to receive your direct deposit details and share them with your employer. Step 6. Customize your features. Once your account is active, you can set up automated savings and manage spending categories. Use the app to link your Betterment investment accounts and enable features like roundups for automatic savings toward your investment goals. Step 7. Use your Betterment checking account. Now that your account is set up, you can use your Betterment debit card for purchases, access ATM fee reimbursements, and monitor your spending in real time. The Betterment app also provides access to financial insights to help you stay on top of your budgeting. And that's it. You've successfully created a Betterment checking account in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.